Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on ChatGPT. You click on settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will go to ChatGPT app. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ChatGPT. Then if you find update, you will update your app.